Are you having trouble figuring out what CPAP machine is right for you? Let's get into this video so I can show you the top 5 machines of 2021. For the 5th place on our list, we have the Respironics Dreamstation CPAP. Now, the Respironics Dreamstation CPAP has been out for like about 6 years. It's been a great, reliable machine. It made 5th on the list because we have more modern versions and we have newer machines and better machines on the market. The Dreamstation has a dial system here that you can use to go through the menus inside the machine. It has the power button, which is the big button here. It has the ramp button. And on the side, it has where you're going to put your SD card and your filters. On the top of the machine, it also has this lever that you can pull down, and this helps you open the humidifier. Now, this machine can be used with a humidifier or without a humidifier. By taking them apart, all you have to do is press the button on the side of the humidifier, and both the machine and the humidifier come apart. You can use the machine as just the machine without the humidifier if you're going to travel 1 or 2 nights, anything like that, or if you don't like using humidification, you can use it without the humidifier. Now, the 4th machine on our list is also a Philips Respironics machine. It's the Dreamstation Go. Now, the Dreamstation Go is a travel CPAP. This is one of the best travel CPAPs. It has an optional humidifier and an optional battery pack, which altogether you won't find that on any other machine. With the Dreamstation Go, you have a sleeker design. It has an LCD screen. It's more modern touch. If you see it on your nightstand, you're gonna see it looks a lot more modern. It looks like a clock radio. So for those of you that like going camping, like going hiking, and want to travel CPAP that's not gonna be big and bulky, the Respironics Dreamstation Go, that's the machine for you. For the 3rd machine on our list, we have the Philips Respironics Dreamstation 2. The Dreamstation 2 is the updated version of the number 5 spot, the Respironics Dreamstation. Now, the Respironics Dreamstation 2, if you see, it has a way sleeker design. It has an LCD touchscreen. The Respironics Dreamstation 2 has a new feature called Ramp Plus. Ramp Plus is going to let you choose your starting pressure, meaning when you're going to put your machine on, that first initial pressure that you feel, you're going to be able to choose that pressure. If your prescribed pressure, let's say, is 15, and you're going to set it at 6 because that's what's more comfortable, that's perfect. If you want a little bit more because you don't feel like 6 is enough, you can put it to 10, you can put it to 12. It all depends on what your comfort is. And for the first time, Philips Respironics is going to let you control that. And let's not forget this new finish, all in black. The number 2 spot goes to the ResMed AirMini Travel CPAP. Now, the ResMed AirMini Travel CPAP might be small, but it packs a punch. This machine can be used anytime you're going to travel. You can use it bedside. It's very small. It's the smallest travel CPAP machine on the market. It's very reliable and user-friendly through the My Air app. Now, we do have to warn you, the ResMed AirMini has proprietary tubing and mask setup, meaning you have to use a specific type of tube and mask with that machine. So if you have, let's say, a regular ResMed F20, that mask, you need an adapter to be able to put it onto the ResMed AirMini. We do sell a universal adapter that lets you connect any type of tubing and mask to the machine, but that's a separate purchase. For those of you looking for humidity in your travel CPAP, the ResMed AirMini does not provide traditional humidity. It provides humidity through a HME system, the Humidx filter, which it takes the humidity out of your exhaled breath and retains it into the system so that you keep getting humidity every time you breathe. Before we get to our number 1 pick, we have to give a shout out to the Apex ICH machine. This machine's been out on the market for a while and is a very light, compact machine, very portable. It's a very well designed, it looks like a little small clock radio. We'll put a picture right here next to me, and this is one to be considered. For the champion, now the number 1 spot, you know we had to go with the ResMed AirSense 10. the ResMed AirSense 10 has been the all-time champion above everybody else. From the moment that this machine came out, it's been a top seller. It has the nice LCD screen on the front, color screen. It has its dial. It has the My Air app that you can connect your phone via Bluetooth, connect it to the machine, and you can see your daily sleep data. Your sleep data is important because you need your sleep data for your doctor, and you can have it with you on the go. So every time you go to your doctor's office, you have it at your fingertips on your cell phone. The ResMed AirSense 10 has been a top seller because of the reliability and the quality of the build. This machine, over all the machines, when you grab it and you hold it in your hands, it feels nice and sturdy, doesn't feel like a cheap plastic put together. It doesn't squeak or make any type of noises when you move it around. For the ladies looking to add their little personal touch to the machine, this already great machine comes in the For Her version, which is a different color and it has a different algorithm on the auto machine. Two great features about the ResMed AirSense 10 is the auto ramp feature and the auto humidity feature. Now the auto ramp feature lets you choose the auto, and the machine will gradually increase the pressure depending on how many obstructions it's sensing. So it can go from anywhere from 5 minutes to 45 minutes, but the machine will choose for you. The auto humidity setting, it controls the humidity based on the humidity in the environment. So it maintains a level of humidity throughout the night. With so many great CPAP machines on the market, it's very tough to narrow it down to just 5 machines. Now, we've done our best to narrow them down, and we hope that this helps you find the best CPAP machine for you. If you feel that we've missed a machine, please comment down below, let us know, see what machine we missed. For now, my name is Oswald Azul. I'm the respiratory therapist with Sleep Play. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.